Hi there. In this short video, we're going to take a look at the so-called clean air system on the Kawasaki KLE 500, what it is, how it works, and why you might want to remove it. The clean air system is a device that brings fresh air from the airbox into the exhaust ports at the cylinder head. This fresh air helps burn off any unburnt fuel in the exhaust, reducing emissions. Sounds like a good thing, and for emission standards it is. But it also comes with a few downsides. First, it adds a bunch of extra hoses. It also introduces false air into the exhaust, which can interfere with carb tuning and intake mods. It worsens throttle response a bit, and last but not least, removing it saves you a few grams of weight. It's really nothing complicated. You just disconnect all the hoses and plug the holes left behind. I blocked the first hole on the carb manifold using a piece of hose and a screw, then I sealed off the cylinder head ports using the original system hoses and some rubber plugs. The last hole is on the bottom of the airbox. I plugged that one too with a rubber cap. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.